Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anointed Busi. In today's video, we're going to be making a balloon arc. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a balloon arc by yourself at home. My mom's birthday was a couple of days back, and I wanted to make like a balloon arc to sort of celebrate her while we had like a get-together party kind of thing at home, but I couldn't because I had to get to work. So I decided to just show you guys, just in case you want to, surprise someone or just decorate it for an event or a parlor party. You can make this and it's going to beautify your space. It's going to take your space from 0 to 100 in boom. I do hope you learned a thing or two from this video. I'm going to show you guys a couple of things that I'm going to be using in a bit. So firstly, we need balloons. Obviously, this is the balloon arc. I got this in size 9. It says 9 and 144. So I think we have 144 pieces in it. Yeah. So I got 3 different colors because I want it to be colorful. I don't want just one color. The more the merrier, I guess. We have ribbons. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using this for, but this is from a previous DIY. My how to make a money tower video. You should check that out. It's very bomb. So I'm going to be using this for what I'm not sure yet. We have a balloon pump. We can't just be using our mouse to be blowing balloons. Yeah, so this is going to make the job way easier. All right, I have my double-sided tape. I have 2 of this. I'm not sure if it's going to work for what I want to use it for, but fingers crossed. And I have this LED light thing. How I'm going to use it, you guys should stay tuned. I have fishing line for tying the balloons together and wrapping paper for the weight that we're going to put beneath the arc. I don't want something ugly, coming from the balloon arc, I guess. So this is going to be to wrap the weight or stones that we're going to be using as our base. Whatever things that I'm going to be using is going to be in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Okay. So I'm just going to start with a couple. This is a lot though. Meanwhile, I want to compare it. It's small. I knew it was small. I was telling that auntie that I wanted a bigger size, but she said no, that this one is the biggest. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie this. 1 down, 143 more to go. Stay tuned. So guys, I need something for my base. Rather than using stones, I decided to use this award. It was the Maya Awards. It is the Maya Awards Africa winner portfolio photography branch of the year 2020. This is for Depeles Studios. Meanwhile, all of this cinematography you guys are seeing is packaged by Depeles Studios. So check us out on the Instagram. Thank you very much. So I'm going to wrap in this. You get it, right? So when I'm done doing that, I'm going to start piling up my balloons atop each other. This is what we are looking like right now. So if you notice, this part of our balloon arc is really full, but this part I wanted it to be like it's fading, if that makes any sense. So I just tied these. It's the same color, excuse me, these are the same color with this, so it's just a little bit smaller. Not a little bit smaller, it's really small. So I'm going to tie these 2 together. Meanwhile, isn't this balloon arc looking so beautiful? P.S. I'm not even done yet. And when I'm done, I'm going to flipping love it. I mean, I say I love all my DIYs, but this is going to be super bomb. Okay, this is just I'm just gonna do this, take it round. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional anything. This is just me winging it, okay? I think I'm going to cut this part now. This is good enough. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, so these small balloons, if you guys look closely, please come on in, we have like empty spaces right here, so we want it to look as professional as possible. So I'm going to use my balloon dots. It's like a double-sided tape thing, so I'm just going to stick it here and paste it like so. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm done. If this was longer, it would have made so much sense. I would have probably started from here and taken it down and just kept it in the shape of the arc, so that way the arc would have looked really, really lit up and beautiful. Did I mention that I have plenty excesses of these balloons? It's better to have excess than not to have enough. Yeah, so far so good. 3, 2, 1, action. Hey guys, so we are done now. If you're still watching up until now, thank you so much for sticking around with me and getting all creative with me. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. So this is our balloon arc. This balloon arc, I'm not going to lie, it tested my patience just a little bit, because you know how balloons are, it just kept popping and popping and popping. But I do hope you learned a thing or two in this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Hopefully, if you have like a surprise party to plan for anybody or your mom, since Mother's Day is just around the corner, you can make something like this for her. I think it's really cute, especially the colors I used. I love the colors. Just in case you haven't seen my previous video on how to make a money cake, I'm going to leave the link somewhere. Do click on that and check it out. I'm sure you're going to learn a thing or two from that video as well. And if you're still watching up until now, do please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Until next time, be good, sending love and light your ways. Bye guys.